Hello students, welcome to your channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. Now you might be thinking why to subscribe my channel, School Studies. In this channel, you will get daily one video related to different topic or subject such as English grammar, general knowledge, social science, mathematics and science, which will help you to understand and learn more. Today we will see a video related to mathematics subject. Hello students, today we will see NCERT solution for standard 6, chapter 3 playing with numbers. In that today we will see exercise 3.4. Let's start with the first question, that is find the common factors of. The given number is 20 and 28. So the factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. And the factors of 28 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. So we can see from here that is common factors. So 1 is common in both, 2 is common in both and 4 is common in both. So the common factors are 1, 2 and 4. The next number is 15 and 25. The factors are 1, 3, 5 and 15 of 15. Factor of 25, 1, 5 and 25. The common factors are 1, 5. So the common factor is 1 and 5. 35 and 50. The next number. So the factor of 35 is 1, 5, 7, 35. Factor of 50, 1, 5, 1, 2, 5, 10, 25 and 50. In that common is 1, 5, 1 and 5 is common. The next number is 56 and 120. So the factor of 56 is 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 14, 28 and 56. And the factors of 120 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15, 20, 24, 30, 40, 60 and 120. Common factors in both are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Second question is find the common factors of. So 4, 8, 12 is the number. Factors of 4 is 1, 4, 1, 2, 4. Factors of 8 is 1, 2, 4, 8. Factors of 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. The common factor is 1, 2, 4. The next number is 5, 15, 25. The factors of 5 is 1 and 5. 15, 1, 3, 5, 15. 25, 1, 5, 25. In that common is 1 and 5. So the common factor is 1 and 5. Question 6. Find first three common multiples of. So 6 and 8. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30 are the multiples of 6. 8, 16, 24 to 32 are the multiples of 8. So the three common multiples are 24, 48 and 72. 12 and 18. So 12, 24, 36, 48 and so on is a multiple of 12. 18, 36, 54, 72 is and so on is a multiple of 18. So three common multiples are 36, 72 and 108. Next question, write all the numbers less than 100 which are common multiples of 3 and 4. So multiple of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Multiples of 4 is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Common multiples are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84 and 96. Next question, which of the following numbers are co-prime? So 18 and 35. Factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Factors of 35 is 1, 5, 7, 35. The common factor between the both is 1. Since their common factor is 1, hence the given two numbers are co-prime. The next number is 15 and 37. The factor of 15 is 1, 3, 5, 15. Factor of 37 is 1 and 37. Common factor is 1. Common factor is 1 and hence the given two numbers are co-prime. Moving to the next, 30 and 415. Factors of 30 is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. Factors of 415 are 1, 5, 8, 3 and 415. Common factors are 1, 5. Since their common factor is other than 1, hence the given two numbers are not co-prime. The next number is 17 and 68. The factors of 17 is 1 and 17. Factors of 38 is 1, 2, 4, 17, 34 and 68. In this, the common factor is 1 and 17. Since the common factor is more than 1, hence the given two numbers are not co-prime. 216 and 215 are the numbers. The common factor of 216, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 18, 24, 27, 36 and 54. 72, 108 and 216. Factors of 215 are 1, 5, 43, 215. The common factor between both is 1. Since the common factor is 1, hence the given number are prime numbers. Moving to the next number is 81 and 16. Factors of 81 is 1, 3, 9, 27, 81. Factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Now in this, common numbers are 1. Since the common factor is 1, hence the given two number is co-prime. Next question, question 6. A number is divisible by both 5 and 12. By which other number will that number be always divisible? So factor of 5 are 1, 5. Factor of 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Common factor is 1. Since their common factor is 1, the given two numbers are co-prime and is always divisible by their product 60. Factors of 60 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30 and 60. Moving to the next question. A number is divisible by 12. By what other numbers will that number be divisible? Since the number is divisible by 12, hence it's always also divisible by its factor, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Therefore 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 are the numbers other than by which this number is also divisible. So this was exercise 3.4 of chapter 3, playing with numbers, standard 6 NCERT solution. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, questions or doubts in comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also join us on Facebook page, follow us in Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn or tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.